In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom values in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or location where you want this custom value to live. Custom values are useful because they let you store reusable pieces of information that you can later insert into automations, messages, funnels, and other assets, which helps save time and keeps things consistent. Once you're on the main Gohighlevel screen, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for the platform. From there, click on Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage account-level options and configuration tools. After the settings page opens, stay focused on the left-hand panel again and look for Custom Values. Click on that section to open the Custom Values Manager. This is where you can view any existing values you've already created, as well as add new ones. Next, click on Add Custom Value. This opens the form where you'll create the new value. The first thing you'll need to enter is the value name. Make this name clear and easy to recognize, since it will help you identify the value later when you're using it across your workflows or templates. A descriptive naming style can make your setup much easier to manage over time. After that, you can enter the custom value itself. This part is optional, so if you're not ready to define the value just yet, you can leave it blank and come back later. If you do enter something now, make sure it matches exactly what you want to reuse in the platform. This could be a standard piece of text, a business detail, or another commonly repeated value. You'll also have the option to select a folder. This step is optional as well, but it can be very helpful if you want to stay organized, especially when your account starts to grow and you create more custom values. Using folders makes it easier to group related items together and find them quickly later. Once everything looks good, click on Create. That will save your new custom value and add it to your list. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom value in Gohighlevel. If you want to keep your account clean and easy to manage, take an extra moment to use clear names and organize values into folders whenever possible. That small habit can make a big difference as your system grows.